For those of you wondering if my spot is still there, yep, it's still there. But you know, I've got other things to worry about, like, well, not worry about, but to be concerned about, which is, you know, the cancer diagnosis I got, the incurable cancer diagnosis. So I'm not so worried about it. The eyebrows are still a major issue. My goal is to keep them on longer than a day. And I don't know if it's still in stock, but try to get this Tarte. The one that's always sold out, the light medium peach. It's awesome. You want to get this one. Covers beautifully. This is the micro ink pen from L'Oreal, and I don't like it because it has, let's see here, you can see it. You can see the faint little indentations. It's supposed to make lines, but it really doesn't. But it lasts for 2 days. It's 48 hours. So my little trick is to put this on and go over it with another pen that has more hair-like application. That didn't work. Hold on. Okay, so you just put on that much of this, and then you go over it with, where did I get this? I got it from Amazon. But it has hair-like, it's more like this, you see? That's what you want. Wherever you can find this type of application, you'll get the finest hairs. Let's get really close. See, whoops. Takes a while. And it's harder to do here in this camera. But these lines, they're so fine. I get compliments on my brows. Okay, that's not quite right, but I think you get the picture. Do a base of the 48 hour and then put this on top. Now the thing is, this will come off if you scratch your eyebrows. So if you have an itch, you can't scratch it because it will fall off. And also this makes your eyebrows sort of shiny. So it's a good idea to dust the eyebrow. Yeah, this one's a little bit thicker than the side, but I think this is a really good technique. And I was able to keep my eyebrows on for a total of 3 days. And that was pretty exciting for me. So I just want to share that hack with you. And one other thing is, you can't tell, but I can. And that is that me eating my fruit every day is making my skin better. My skin has been really horrible since I started chemo, and the fruit has made my skin better. I can see it. So fruit makes your skin better, and this eyebrow gets so shiny. You can powder it down. Hold on, let me get some powder. Okay, this light is making my eyebrow look really shiny, but I think you get the idea. Let me try this again. Okay, oh, okay, you know what? That's what you do. Take off a little bit of it and go back in. And this one is really great. I do like this one. I think they sold like 1 million. It's ridiculous, but it has 2 ends. It has this end that is full of the fine hair application, and it has a one-sided pen, so you can just go in there and just draw each line individually if you want. Of course, you're going to do it better than I just did, but really this is the way. And if you have the time, if you can do each hair by itself, I just keep going too high up, but yes, that's how you do it. So click below to see if this is available. Also, if you want to learn how to eat fruit and clean out your insides and make your skin really beautiful, because that's what fruit does, download my chart. It's stupid shiny eyebrow. Download my chart and you'll get all the instructions on how to make your intestines really happy and make it so that your digestive system is working optimally, because that's how you get rid of bloating, and that's how you drop excess weight, and you drop inches, etc. It's by eating the foods that your body can metabolize quickly and give you energy.